All right, guys, Rooster here in Tennessee, roostercb.com. As promised, lots of customer test videos coming in here since we've got the big 800 amp power supply up and going. This was a prepaid 2-drive 8 for a customer, and it is staged. So we'll power it off here real quick where you guys can see. This is going to be your 2-pill section, two 2290s where it says low. This is your 8-pill section, 8 standard 2879s. When they're both powered up, it's a 2-drive 8. Right here, it's a 2-pill. And right here, it is a straight 8. You also have the variable over here that controls, excuse me, guys, controls your driver section. And there you go. So customer already bought a 200 amp Carl built power supply. That just happened to be what I had in stock. And he wanted to get a combination deal. So we're going to test out his 2-drive 8 here, and he will be powering it with a 200 amp Carl built. You have a lug on the back for your ground, and then your 3 hot wires coming out, obviously all going to the same source there. So what a lot of people like to do is put them into a quick disconnect or something like that, and then run your other quick disconnect from your power supply. But that's all up to the customer. Low drive amp when it's in the 2-drive 8 position. So we're going to test it with our little Uniden 68 LTX. Again, our power supply, as I glance down here, is showing 14.9 volts. So a little bit less voltage, still a little bit less. I don't really recommend doing over 15 volts, 15.1, something like that with the standard 2879s. I think his power supply runs about 14.4 or 14.5 that he got from me. So he should be in a really good shape there. Okay, so let's test it out here, guys, and see how it does. We've got our 5,000 watt slug in here, so we're looking at the middle scale, and we are on average power first. And about 900 average, so things getting with it pretty good. And then PEP. Middle scale, audio. About 1800 PEP. And then our clamp meter here. Audio. 110, 120 amps. So there you go. If you had one of these on sideband, you would obviously want a bigger power supply, but he should have plenty of headroom with the 200 amp supply. I don't think he's going to run into any trouble whatsoever. So it should be plenty enough for him to run this 2-drive 8, as long as he has enough juice coming to the power supply. I have another one of these in stock, guys. The other one I have has 2 454s, which is what Fatboy uses unless you ask for otherwise. So I got one with 2 454s in the driver section, and then got this one with the 2 2290s. So if you're interested in the other one, just shoot me a text, 423-299-3535. This one will be rolling out to the customer probably today, if not today, Tuesday, because Mondays are always pretty crazy with shipping. So this one will be going out to the customer really soon. All right, guys, appreciate it. Fatboy, 2-drive 8, staged, and doing a real good job here. Thanks, everybody. Rooster in 10, roostercb.com. See you, bye.